this week I've made little changes and I've mainly focusing on the artwork. So the first one is a little tutorial button on this screen. So you can select a tutorial, or if you don't want it, and then select which difficulty you want. Also, I've added these arrows that move into the tutorial just to give it a bit more spice of something that's going on and happening on the screen. I've also changed the background, so the factory is now in sort of a town. I do need to work on the scaling though to make the background scale properly with the factory because it currently scales with the screen, but the factory is drawn over the top at runtime, which slightly messes up the sizing, but that should be quite an easy fix. I've also added in some little squares ready for the machines. I've also just received a list of the information that they want added into the game. However, uh, on further discussion, because there's no social environment points in production, they don't want any because they don't see it as applicable in the real world. But also, they don't want the game to focus on the three pillars, which I thought was the whole point. They actually want it to focus on the production of plastic. So I might have to rethink the game slightly, as I was focusing on the three pillars, which the original brief said that I was focusing on, and move it over towards plastics